First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we start our weather segment this morning with a traffic alert. If you haven't heard, I-65 northbound is closed now at mile marker 89. That's up in Hardin County. I'll show you that on the radar map here so you can kind of get your bearings. If you're headed north, say into Elizabethtown or maybe going to Louisville this morning and you travel I-65, what you're going to need to do is exit off either at Munfordville or Bonneville or Upton. Those are the three exits just before the accident, which is on up 65 near mile marker 89 between Sonora and E-Town. As a matter of fact, we can show you a traffic cam from that area right at the accident scene, although you can't see the scene in the picture. This is 65 northbound at mile marker 89. You're looking southbound, and notice the southbound traffic there in Hardin County all looks very nice and moving along nicely, but you see the backup here from the northbound lanes. They are now closed because of that semi that's on fire. It may be several hours before that's cleared up. So again, if you're headed northbound 65, use 31W. There's going to be heavy traffic on 31W, say through as you get on into Hardin County, and especially from out of a Hart County area if you're headed north. All right, as we check precipitation chances, getting back to the weather here, it looks like we're going to remain dry for at least the beginning of the weekend, but starting Sunday, rain chances do go up a bit. 30% Sunday afternoon, 40% Monday, but what's not shown here is Sunday night into Monday morning. There's about a 50% chance that we could see some rain during the overnight hours, Sunday night into early Monday morning, and we may get some heavy downpours out of that particular disturbance as it moves through. In fact, all of these are just a series of disturbances that will come through kind of off and on at the beginning of next week that will keep some rain chances back in our forecast for a little while. Current temperatures this morning, upper 50s to low 60s anywhere you look across south central Kentucky. And there's our beautiful sunrise this morning with a few high clouds as we look live from Doppler Cam here at our studios on Russellville Road in Bowling Green. Currently 61 degrees. The winds are coming light out of the south at 2 miles per hour, 98% humidity. Some areas around area lakes and rivers probably seeing a little bit of patchy fog again this morning like we've seen before. 61 in Greenville and mainly clear this morning from our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. Glasgow seeing a mainly clear sky this morning. In Barron County, you're at 60. There's some fog, and as typically this time of the year, we see at the Mammoth Cave National Park, your temperature at 60 degrees. Russellville, well, the camera's down. It's dark in Russellville. Custer Cam up in Breckinridge County seeing some of those high clouds in 64. Air quality, we have some changes here, even though we're running high in the UV, which is pretty typical. Molds are low. Ozone is back up into the moderate category, but look at this. The pollen count is now in the moderate high category, and that's grass and ragweed. Yes, this is ragweed season. So if you suffer from sinusitis or bronchial conditions, so ragweeds are going to be, if you're susceptible to that, you're going to start to suffer a little bit more. 83 today for Columbia, 84 for Russell Springs, 85 Birchville, 86 for Albany, all around the Lake Cumberland area. That's our hometown forecast brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. The Powerball jackpot for Saturday night estimated to be at $50 million. Mega Millions next drawing estimated $144 million. Look at the temperature change here. 3 degrees warmer than yesterday as we're starting around the 60-degree mark this morning. But look at Indianapolis, 12 degrees cooler, a sign of some cool air that's pooling up around the southern Great Lakes. And then we have showers, some thunderstorms rolling in with the first disturbance, that first in a series of disturbances that are going to kind of roll through here during the course of especially the latter half of the weekend, the beginning of next week. High pressure is still hanging on for us, so we're looking at a good day. Additional clouds at times, but as that boundary slowly starts to kind of wobble back into south central Kentucky, that's when our rain chances will go up. Not today, not tomorrow, but Sunday, and from then on, we're looking at pretty decent rain chances. Until then, a mix of clouds and sunshine, 86. Tonight, partly cloudy, some patchy fog again late, low of 63. Tomorrow, we'll make it up to a warm and more humid 89, 90 on Sunday, and there's your first chance of showers in the forecast. as we get ready for the annual duck race at the Sulphur Well Homecoming Sunday afternoon. Then it's going to stay just hot and humid with a daily chance of showers all the way through Thursday.